Hello and welcome back to my channel, Self-Exclusive. I'm Tammy. I am so glad that you are here. Today is Tuesday's tip. To find out what today's tip is, let's roll. Today is Tuesday's tip, and this is Self-Exclusive. I'm Tammy. The tip I have for you today is make a budget. Creating a budget will give you a little bit more hope to get through this situation. The first thing you want to do is to write down any monies you're going to get from your previous employers. Write down any unemployment benefits you're going to get, and write down anything you have in savings. Okay? After you do that, write down your four walls. Take care of your four walls. Your four walls are your food, your shelter, your car, your utilities. Those are your four walls. Once you have that written down, then write down what your bills are. Write down what the minimum payment is, who's due, and what day is due. Then the biggest thing you can do after you write down your bills, call your creditors. Talk to the utility companies, talk to your credit cards, talk to the credit card companies. They're going through the same thing. Nobody is being left out of this. It's affecting everybody. So after you write down your bills, the stimulus check is coming. Before you get the stimulus check, you already know how much it's going to be. Make a plan for it. Write down what you need to take care of. Add it to any payments you have, any income you already have or that you're going to receive. Write it down. That way you can plan for anything you need to take care of, whether it's your four walls, whether it's bills, anything you need to take care of that will help you get through this. Everybody is being affected by this. Everybody. And we're in this together. We're in this together. Take care of yourselves. Make a budget. I hope you got something out of this, and I will see you on next Tuesday's tip. See you next time.